Great day, second grade students and families. This is Mr. Sargent here with your second grade newsletter for the week of September 4th through September 8th. And we have a lot of information to go over today. But first, I want to give a huge shout out to all second graders. We had an incredible week this week of leadership, leading by example, and doing the right thing. So each one of you should feel very proud of all the hard work that you put in this year. So we're going to start today's video with our school news. Now, first things first in school news, on September 4th, it is Labor Day, so there will be no school. So hopefully you are all enjoying the long weekend, and well deserved. On September 7th, which is Thursday, we will be having curriculum night here at Guilford Preparatory Academy. Now, this starts at 4 o'clock and goes until 5 o'clock. This is a great way to connect with your teachers and learn about the information that we will be covering this year in science and social studies, in reading, and in math. Now, I know Miss Lewis and I will be here for any second grade families to come in and just connect with us and see just what you will be doing and learning this year. Then, same day, September 7th, that night, I believe it's starting at 6:30 at Skateland USA, we will have our GPA PTA skate night. So I encourage all of you to come out to curriculum night and support the school with skate night right after. Now, on September 8th, which is Friday morning in the gym, we will be having a Grandparents' Day breakfast. All right, so students out there who want to invite their grandparents to come have breakfast with them, by all means, come on out and help us celebrate the awesome grandparents out there. All right, so our dates are September 4th, no school. September 7th, we have the curriculum night and skate night, and September 8th, we will be having the Grandparents' Day breakfast. All right, now that's it for school news. Let's talk about things that we're going to be learning about in the second grade this week. All right, first up, we have math, everybody's favorite. Math, this week you'll be focusing on number bonds. And if you look right here, here is a great example of a number bond. If you notice, you have one circle that has the largest number on there, and then you have the two numbers that when you add them up equal that number. So this week you will be working on number bonds and working with your place value. It is going to be an incredible time. Also this week there will be no homework in math, so we're going to be doing the majority of the work in the classroom. Now, in ELA, we're going to be starting this week with the DIBELS testing. This is a great way to give us our first benchmark of data and information on better how to teach each student in the art of reading. So this week, Miss Daniels and myself and Miss Lewis will be working together on some DIBELS testing. It's got a funny name, but it is such a useful tool that we use to grow each and every student. Now, when there's not DIBELS testing going on, Miss Daniels is going to begin a new Wit and Wisdom unit called Seasons, where it does focus about weather, where it covers weather, where it covers geography, it covers it all, and it's a great time where you get to look at pictures like this and make wonders and make connections with what you're reading. All right? Now, in science, first of all, let me say, incredible job this week. This week in second grade science, we did our first science experiment, first of 100 this year. This is the year of 100 experiments. So we did our first experiment this year where the students learned to work together as a team. And if you notice right here in the pictures behind me, they did an incredible job working as a team to build towers, using their hands, and then using tools to build the tower when they couldn't use their hands. So it was a great challenge. So this week, we're starting our science unit for the next month, and it's going to be focused on, well, weather. Just like in ELA, where we're going to be focusing on seasons and weather, we're going to be focusing on the science behind weather this week. Now this week we're going to be focusing on the key to all weather and the source of its power and energy, and that is the sun. So we're going to be starting with the sun, doing some incredible solar powered activities, checking out the power of the sun and how it affects our everyday weather. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm really excited about what we're going to get accomplished this year in science, and I hope you are all excited as well. So, we have now gone over everything we're doing in second grade. We've done everything in school, nothing else to say, but I hope you enjoy the rest of your weekend. You all earned it. Spend time with family and loved ones, and until the next time I see you, have a great one.